Think appointing judges sounds dull? Think again. When Jehoshaphat stepped up to overhaul Judah's justice system, he wasn't just ticking boxes, he was challenging corruption head-on and setting a new standard of fairness that still echoes today. If you've ever wrestled with injustice or felt stuck in a mess of unfair decisions, this story holds a surprising lesson. Real leadership means judging not for people's approval, but for something way bigger. Ready to see how this ancient move can change the way you handle fairness and authority right now? Then, let's dive into the chapter together. When Jehoshaphat, king of Judah, returned safely to his palace in Jerusalem, Jehu the seer, the son of Hanani, went out to meet him and said to the king, "Should you help the wicked and love those who hate the Lord? Because of this, the wrath of the Lord is on you. There is, however, some good in you, for you have rid the land of the Asherah poles and have set your heart on seeking God." Jehoshaphat lived in Jerusalem, and he went out again among the people from Beersheba to the hill country of Ephraim and turned them back to the Lord, the God of their ancestors. He appointed judges in the land, in each of the fortified cities of Judah. He told them, "Consider carefully what you do, because you are not judging for mere mortals but for the Lord, who is with you whenever you give a verdict. Now let the fear of the Lord be on you. Judge carefully, for with the Lord our God there is no injustice or partiality or bribery." In Jerusalem also, Jehoshaphat appointed some of the Levites, priests and heads of Israelite families to administer the law of the Lord and to settle disputes. And they lived in Jerusalem. He gave them these orders: "You must serve faithfully and wholeheartedly in the fear of the Lord. In every case that comes before you from your people who live in the cities, whether bloodshed or other concerns of the law, commands, decrees or regulations, you are to warn them not to sin against the Lord, otherwise his wrath will come on you and your people. Do this, and you will not sin. Amariah the chief priest will be over you in any matter concerning the Lord, and Zebadiah son of Ishmael, the leader of the tribe of Judah, will be over you in any matter concerning the king, and the Levites will serve as officials before you. Act with courage, and may the Lord be with those who do well." Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for his mercy. God, thank you for the wisdom you poured into this study. It's amazing how you use even flawed leaders like Jehoshaphat to teach us about justice, courage, and growth. Help me not just to understand these lessons, but to live them, to be fair, to stand for what's right, and to make better choices, even when it's hard. Keep my heart clean, my steps steady, and my eyes on you. I can't do this without you, and I don't want to. Amen. Now that you've walked through Jehoshaphat's journey, facing criticism, pushing reforms, and wrestling with imperfections, what's your takeaway? Are you ready to examine the alliances in your own life that might be holding you back? Or to step up and demand fairness where it's been missing? Remember, justice and integrity aren't just big words in ancient stories. They're daily choices that shape who we become. So, what's one action you can take today to bring more honesty and courage into your world? If this sparked something inside, don't just keep it to yourself. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, because there's so much more waiting for you to learn and grow. Your journey toward true leadership and justice starts now. And, as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.